I need to change the generator bolt. This is the old one. It's completely destroyed. And I got a new one here, but it's not the exact size. This is 950 millimeters, I guess. Here's the generator, and it has no belt. It's supposed to go between from this wheel all the way to here. And this is so loose. It's not supposed to be like this. It's for the power steering. So I think you can adjust it down there. First I'm gonna see if I can thread this over the fan. That was easy. There we go. Okay, I got this bolt out, which I think does the tensioning. It's rusty and it's really hard to move. Everything is loose now. Now this like cover, whatever it is, come off. This should be free, so we can look how this tensioner thing works. So this is the tensioner. So this one went through here. So what you're supposed to do is actually just loosen this so it can move. If you screw this in, the whole thing will move out, 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 and that will make more tension. I'm just gonna clean this head out so it runs better. You can see the metal pieces here that came out and the rust. When you put it in here, it goes really easily. I'm gonna remove the belt for the AC. If I can get this out, I can move it without a problem. So, at last, get this belt off. It's not needed. Alright, now it's on and it's like super tensioned, so it doesn't need more tensioning, but it's not supposed to be this small belt, but this is like maybe the limit, the smallest you can have. It was a hassle to get it on, but it's there now. I had to take the generator off again because I forgot this like guard thing here, this metal piece that goes around it. So I took it off again, put on the guard, and redid everything. And now this is like quite tight. Like you can, I think they say that you should tighten it so much so you can rotate it like this or something. It's pretty tight. And this was all loose. This is for the power steering. I tightened it also, so now it's like quite tight. You can't even rotate anything here. Before you could rotate this easily, but now it's like impossible because everything is tight as it should be. No more squealing. I took off the belt because the AC will like never run. It's just unnecessary that it's spinning. So it's running. All the belts are looking good. And here in the dashboard there are no more errors. It's just the parking brake. All the errors disappeared now when I have the alternator running again. So I'm out with the car and it's dark and it has no errors. Everything seems to work. The battery is charging and it's driving just fine, but the error with like the engine is still there when you rev it higher than like 2000 RPM or when you hit the gas pedal too hard. But apart from that, everything is working as it's supposed to.